Namar ka jingbam pau kertang kijat Myntri Garo ha ka jingrung kam middle level health providers ka kenhon ki noi lam seng bhalang na Ri Lum Garo ha ka jingya Synran lang da arngot ki Myntri Sorkar bakentop yo Marquis Marak bat urakam sangma kilawan ïakren bat ka Myntri ka beri khmi ka tanat ka kot ka khia ka Dr. Meghalaya lingdo ha ka nok phai sngi jong san tarik unai lur arja arplai ha kam ratri kam jongka Kinoi lam kilapan pau ya jinglengo ba om don wat ru Garo new try nong song snong Ri Lum Garo pan sajit na kapanta kiteki kam gi balong thenli Ri Lum Garo Upritam areng Presiden ke FKJGP Garo Hills ulaong pagakong amprin lingdo ka kubur baka Sorkar ka klam pelat advertisement na kapanta kiteki kam batkan sa syam kya ya kani
Yeah, basically today we came for the meeting regarding the appointment of MLHPs. You see, there was an appointment, the notification was given, I think on the, let me just check, it was on 23rd of August 2023, the notification was given. We had some 41 number of candidates were selected for the post of MLHP. But the astonishing thing is that when we inquired about how this whole selection process has been done, then we could not find any advertisement for this post. So that led us to do some more research, and then we found out that there were some discrepancies on part of the mission director of the MLHP. So we had to ultimately meet the health minister and honorable health minister, and we try to give our points that these are some things which has not been done according to the rules laid out by the government of Meghalaya. So we just asked them to review that particular letter, that particular letter which was given that regarding the appointment of these 41 candidates. So we asked them to review it, and certain technical things were also there in which we had some disagreements. But I'll skip that part. But there are some disagreements from our part, and then we have already spoken. We have already laid out our grievances, and the health minister, for the moment, has informed us that she'll look into the matter, and we'll wait for the initiative that she'll take. It's mid-level health providers, MLHP. Yeah, fresh recruitment. We have also, in our suggestion, we have said that fresh recruitment should be done, and we, in a sense, we also feel bad also that for the 41 candidates also, because their hopes might also have been high. We want to apologize to the students also, but because the process was not done in the right manner, so we are asking them to give a fresh recruitment. The minister basically she contacted with MD, Mission Director of NHM, and it is confirmed that MD has also confirmed that there was no advertisement for the post. So that is the whole thing. That is why we said that this whole appointment should be put on hold, and inquiry should be done in this matter. And we are also we have also suggested that official inquiry should be done in the whole process. So if someone has done something wrong, if it was deliberate or inadvertently done, whichever is the case, accordingly they should be reprimanded. That is also one of our demands. No, the main problem is they did not give up any advertisement. So without advertisement, no, under the guidelines of the Meghalaya government, you cannot appoint anybody without any advertisement. That is clear. It is very clear that we have to give advertisement for any kind of appointment. So they did not. We are not sure about the status. I think the health minister will be in a better position to tell you whether they are selected or not. You see, we don't know the whole scenario. Maybe there might be some from Garo Hills, maybe some from other places, but we don't know the whole scenario, like how many people. But our problem is we got a complaint that there was no advertisement for this post, so we took up the issue based on that. No, not ultimatum. We just gave our suggestions.